out Patricia's shop. And Patricia, she's got some beautiful artwork here. Brandstead Design, or I don't know, is this glass art? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Bright colors flower table lamp with small festive red, green, yellow, and blue cylinder-shaped accent lamp. Housewarming party gift ideas. Thank you, Cheryl. Appreciate that. Let's see here. Love it so far. Looks really good. And let's see, bright flower. This is a very pretty item. I like the item. Now, I think you could make the image look a little bit better, and I think your keywords are too long and too descriptive. So let's check it out. Bright colors. If we look up this whole keyword, and we got bright colors, flower table, lamp with small, bright flowers, flower table, lamp. Let's just go with that. Let's call that the first keyword. It doesn't really bring up anything that looks like your product, and it's only 471 results. So how I would describe this is a lampshade. It's a flower lampshade, okay? So let's do flower lampshade. That brings me 2,317 results. And I think this keyword, these products are much more closely related to your products than the first keyword we checked out. So the first thing is I would recommend working on your keywords. That's going to be really important for you to get the right keywords dialed in. Now we could also do small flower lampshade because they're very small looking, very tiny. That one's 483. Let's get, how many did we have on the last one? 2,300, 2,300. And then this one, if we go forward one, small flower lampshade. This has 483 results. So a little bit small, but your item is a bit unique. It's not going to have quite as many things. Tricia says, hi, no sales for months, changed banner and keywords and added wall art. All right, so we need to get you some breakthrough. I think the main thing is that your keywords are too specific. So like this one here, leaves in red and gold mood lamp. It's just a really long keyword, and I always check the results and see how many results. And this one, 68 results, so it's just too small. And select a size, 6 inches or 18. Okay, very cool. So is it the whole lamp? Okay, so it is the entire lamp. Okay. So it is a whole lamp. You do sell the bulb and everything with it too. So that's nice. So for this one, I would go like red gold lamp. That's what I would do. I would just do red gold lamp. Let's start with that. 3,827. And there you go. You're popping up on the first page. And that could be because I was just looking at your shop. But that is a much better keyword because it's a lot more searches. So yeah, Leslie has a great suggestion here. It is tricky to find the right balance, but you want to have the right number of keywords. You want it to be specific, but not too specific. Now with your products, you're not selling jewelry. You're selling something that's a much smaller niche when you're selling lamps. And so for you, you don't want to get too specific. Let's see this one here. This is a very pretty design. However, I wouldn't make chrysanthemum my first keyword because it's a tough word to spell. I would do something like, so this is an Asian pattern. You could do Asian flower lamp, okay? Asian flower lamp. 616 results. Not quite on the money. Let's just try flower lamp. 15,000. We could do flower design lamp. Mandala. That one's a little bit easier. We could try that. Mandala. They do kind of look like mandalas. Oh, wow. Look at these ones. Not quite. These ones are looking much more three-dimensional. But I think you get the idea. You've got to find the keywords that are going to be more. Is this a squishy lamp? It almost looks squishy, doesn't it? I don't think it's actually squishy. I think you got to find the keywords that are going to match up with your product better. So you got to come up with like flower lamp, birds in paradise lamp, and it's really important to just keep them shorter because your products are very unique and it's not a really big niche. So keep it shorter, and like this one here, birds of paradise lamp. Bird lamp, bird table lamp, Japanese lamp. And you can fill this up with a whole bunch of different keywords there. And but keep them a little bit shorter and easier to get through. And let's go back. Yeah, overall, I think your photos are pretty good. They're a little bit dark. They're not exactly. This photo is kind of dark, so you might want to brighten up your photos as well, make them a little bit easier to see. And because this one, the colors are very muted and it's hard to see it for sure. So I think you got some really pretty looking items, Patricia. Go out there, put some better keywords on them, and work on the photos. Try to make the photos a little bit brighter and easier to see. And once you've done that, I think go in and renew your listings a lot, and you'll be able to kind of get a boost and get some better results.